friends. I hope you guys are doing well today. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my vlog. Okay, I just woke up. I am now in my bathroom and I'm gonna try to figure out what I want to do for my schedule today, because we are actually supposed to be getting like snow this afternoon, and usually in the afternoon is when I go to the gym. So I put my workout outfit on because I think I might go to the gym before I get started on work so I don't get stuck in the snow and freezing rain with my little car. So I just try to stay off the roads whenever they're predicting snow or even rain nowadays. I don't even like to go out in rain, and I work from home, so it just kind of works out for me to like stay home. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end up going to the gym first thing this morning. So it is actually already at 9:08. I slept in a little bit. I had a rough night of sleeping last night, and I actually was going to put on some eye patches. Let me do that. But yeah, in this vlog I really wanted to take you guys with me just throughout the day and what it looks like for me on a content day. So as you guys may already know, I actually own a digital marketing agency, and I am also a content creator slash influencer, and Thursdays are really big content days for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys with me today. But make sure you guys are subscribed because I post every single Wednesday, and like this video if you enjoy this content. But let's go. People always ask me why I plan so many trips, and literally this is why, because this is what our winters look like. Okay, you guys, I am just getting ready now, and this afternoon I thought it would be really great for me to film because it is a big content day for me. Okay, my tripod's kind of low. Let me raise you guys a little bit. Okay, that's a little bit better. So today is a really big content day for me. So what that kind of consists of as like content creator slash influencer, so I don't have any like brand clubs or anything to do, and I've previously showed you guys like how I shoot Instagram campaigns and everything, but today we're more so focused on creating content for my YouTube channel. I want to film another video about my tretinoin progress with my hormonal acne, and I thought that would be fun to do today while I am getting ready. And then I have to film a few TikToks. So if you guys don't follow me already, make sure you follow me on TikTok. It is at kali.alexandria. I post so much on TikTok. I am completely obsessed with the platform. So you guys check that out. I will also link my TikTok down below. But right now I'm just getting ready to film content, and a lot of times whenever I get ready, I like to try to like kill two birds in one stone type of thing, and like make plans like for after like content day. But since it is Thursday afternoon right now, I'm actually like just staying in. I don't have any plans today. So yeah, that kind of sucks because this makeup will kind of go to waste. I'm not even gonna venture out of the house with this makeup, but you know, it is what it is. That's just 2022. That's just life, but that's all right. But I did want to take this video and kind of chat about how I grow like on social media and what my strategy is nowadays, because I get so many questions on like how to grow my account, how do I get to the point of like where I'm an influencer and I can take brand deals and I can get paid on social media, all of that stuff. And since I have been a content creator slash influencer for like 6 years now, I definitely have some tips on growth and things to share with you guys. So first things first, you have to adapt to the platforms and the algorithms. So what that looks like, especially right now in 2022, video content is getting like prioritized within every single social media channel right now because of TikTok. So I highly recommend you guys try to keep up with like the trends and the platforms and the algorithms and everything like that, because ultimately that will help you grow. So for example, I constantly rave about starting a TikTok, making sure creators are all over TikTok, because I have firsthand witnessed like how good it is for like businesses and as a business standpoint. I'm not kidding you guys. I wasn't going to share this, but I am going to. So I sell my pitch templates that I use to pitch hotels and brands. I sell those for $19. I'm not kidding you guys. One day last week, I got like 15 sales just from one TikTok video on my pitch templates. So basically I created the pitch templates once, and then now they're going to make me passive income all of the time. So if you guys are interested in the templates, I of course will leave them linked down below. But it's just crazy how like social media and like building a brand and like how like social media gives you, you know, that like, what am I even saying, like how social media is like changing and giving people all of these opportunities. Like we have seen on TikTok, people just like go viral overnight. Like for example, Addison Rae, like all of a sudden she is like at 0 followers, and then like a year later she is hanging out with the Kardashians. Like it is crazy what opportunities social media can bring to people. Okay, that's just like a little rant I went on, but I'm just very passionate about social media and creating and, you know, going with the flow with all of these crazy platforms. So yeah, I hope that was helpful to you guys. That was just like one tip of many. Honestly, I can give so many different tips on social media growth, but I highly recommend you guys start with that and just start creating. Like honestly, people procrastinate because they want to be perfect, or they want to put out the perfect amount of content, or they want to take the perfect video, when in reality they're just setting themselves up for failure, because progress is so much better than perfection. So highly recommend you just start. And I constantly tell this to people in my DMs, and like it's just so important to just start creating no matter where you are like at in your life, no matter what it is, because people will find your life interesting. Even though you may not think your life is interesting, I guarantee you people on social media will find you interesting. So just start like recording and like taking photos of like your daily life, whatever that looks like for you. Anyway, rant over. I'm gonna finish my makeup and then I will talk to you guys in my little content creating room / office. Filming setup that I am using. So you guys just saw me like put this backdrop together, and I love having it in my office. So this is just like a really fun new backdrop. So I'm gonna go ahead and film that video, and I will talk to you guys in a bit. Without further ado, I want to talk about my Trenton journey. I binge watched these types of videos whenever I was beginning on my Trenton journey. I did not know what to expect. The dermatologist did not tell me anything, and I was just kind of on my own, and I'm so glad. Okay, you guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog. I hope you loved getting a little bit of an insight into my daily life. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe because I post every single Wednesday. And then make sure you guys leave me a like because that really supports my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!